Need to move money from your Tide business account to another bank account? Transferring funds from your Tide account is a common banking operation. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily transfer money from your Tide account to another bank account. To transfer money, open the Tide app on your smartphone and log in. Navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. You'll typically find an option to make a payment or send money. If you're sending to a new bank account, you'll need to add the recipient as a new payee. This involves entering their account name, account number, and sort code for UK banks or other international bank details. For existing payees, simply select them from your list. Finally, enter the amount you wish to transfer and a reference for the payment. Review all details carefully before confirming the transaction. Tide will then process the payment, and the funds should arrive in the recipient's bank account, usually within a few business hours for faster payments. And there you have it. Transferring money from your Tide account is straightforward. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.